Tottenham Hotspur have just got scarier. What exactly are they cooking down the lane? Because the squad they're assembling is genuinely scintillating, scary, full of young stars, and dangerous. Make sure you are smashing the like buttons, guys. We need these likes up. Let's see if we can hit 1,000 likes. This literally is flying towards 35,000. So make sure you are subbing to the channel. That'd be great. If you're watching this as soon as I drop it, I will be live, and I'm also live with rants after that. I will be back on here for the Man United game tonight, and I will be doing a live reaction to it straight afterwards. So plenty of content to come. So get notification bells on as well. Not that they really work. Only about 3% of people actually get a notification, I believe. So it's not exactly great. However, what is great is the squad that Tottenham are assembling. They have just signed Wilson Odobert, one of the brightest young wingers in world football. 19 years old, left winger. I think he's going to absolutely cook. I think the club he's going to are fantastic. I think it's an amazing squad of players that he's assembling down there, Ange. And they're doing it the right way. They're doing it the right way. They've gone and got their business done before the season started. And any additions now will just be top-ups. I think the squad's amazing. I think it's scintillating. I think they could genuinely have a go at the title this season. And if you believe any of that, you're deluded. It's Spurs. Bosh! It's Spurs, bruv. It's Spurs. But this is how easy it is to clickbait and waffle nonsense about a rival team. Gets you loads of traction, guys. But I will be here all season doing it, because that's what we do. Everyone else wants to do it? Cool, I'll join in and do it better. Smash the like button, guys. Tottenham invest important fee on French winger Wilson Odobert, as he was on the list of several clubs in the UK and Italy. Well, how comes you never told us that then? How comes Fab never told us that until now? He was on the list of several clubs in the UK and Italy. Since when? Why didn't we get an update on this then? Okay. 25 million fixed fee, 5 million in add-ons, and 10% sell-on clause for Burnley. 5-year deal, shirt number 29, so he's doomed. Medical also completed in London, big surprise. If you go to Top Spurs, they've actually tweeted it out as well, I think. Where are we? We are delighted to announce that we have reached an agreement on a permanent transfer for Wilson Odobert from Burnley. Okay. Tottenham Hotspur Twitter page is one weird page. Very, very zesty behaviour going on over that club. Very, very zesty. It's all a little bit, yeah, very strange. Get off of there. What's that, brother? Get him off my screen, man. Get out of here with your zesty shit. Anyway, Top Spurs signed Bergvall, the little Justin Bieber lookalike, Odobert, Archie Gray, and Dominic Solanke. So what are they cooking exactly? They are cooking salmonella, guys. That is what they are cooking. What a complete waste of 100 million. Mad. But Archie Gray's going to come good. Okay, mate. We'll see, won't we? We'll see. Dominic Solanke. I mean, really? I mean, he shouldn't be the guy that's leading the line. He should be the guy that comes off the bench. But there we go. It is what it is. They've spent 105 million as it stands. That's including incomings. Outgoings. So obviously, net spend. They've spent 105 as it stands. They have actually done well getting rid of some of their players this summer. Jed Spencer's gone, Tanguy and Ndombele's gone, Alejo Valise, Eric Dyer, they've all gone, Ivan Perisic. So yeah, they're all gone. They're all gone, lads. They're all gone. They're all gone. Royale. In fact, yeah, even Perisic gone back to Hadrick Split. Okay. So, who actually got rid of? Emerson Royale, Joe Rondon's gone. He obviously went to Leeds. Part of the deal. Sessegnon's gone to Fulham. So he gone back to Fulham on a free. Wow. Okay, I didn't know that. Tanganga has gone to Millwall on a free. Højbjerg's gone. Brian Hill's gone. Dana Scarlett, the next Harry Kane, he's gone. So yeah, Tottenham have done some good business getting rid of some of this crap, but let's just be real with it. Let's just deep it, guys. Yeah, they are rubbish. They're not going to win nothing until they get rid of that ownership. Yeah, they're doomed. Yeah, and the problem is their fan base just lap it up. Couple of wins, a little bit of champagne football down the lane and all that. Yeah, and all of a sudden they get giddy and think they're going to win stuff. I'm telling you right now, you ain't winning nothing. Not winning nothing this season. You'll play some pretty football. You'll slap a few teams 4 or 5, but then ultimately you'll get slapped up a few times as well and win nothing. I do, however, think you'll get top 4. I think you'll get top 4. I think I don't think you'll finish higher than Arsenal. But again, that's irrelevant because neither of us are going to win the league, are we? But I think he'll finish above United. Depends if Man United get rid of their manager, because if he has a bit of a bad run, he should be sacked. But yeah, I'm thinking Arsenal, Man City, Arsenal, Tottenham, Man United, and then after that, Liverpool, Chelsea, Villa. So yeah, I'm thinking Tottenham ain't really done enough to compete for a title. They ain't done enough to win a trophy. They're immune from winning trophies because that's how they roll down there. And yeah, this winger you've got though, a bit baffed by it. I can't lie. Listen, he's a good player. He is a decent player. This lad you signed from Burnley, but I don't really understand how many wingers you need. Why do you need this many wingers? You've got Kulusevski, you've got Son, you've got Werner, you've got Brennan Johnson, and they've signed this guy. Bit weird. Bit weird, if you ask me, but this is Tottenham in a nutshell, isn't it? The thing is, Tottenham are a nearly good club, aren't they? They're nearly good, but they never do what's required to become good. Yeah, and until Tottenham fans get that in their head and actually take that on board and start protesting against their ownership instead of just happy clapping Dominic Solanke signings and Bergvall signings and Odobert signings. Now, when was the last time Tottenham actually bought a top-tier player? Now, when was that? I can't even remember. I genuinely have no idea when the last time Tottenham bought an elite top player. Genuinely don't know. Yeah, they've made a few. Gareth Wales. But it was the last time they actually had a player that was like, wow, you're unbelievable, mate. How did they manage to pull that one off? Pause. But I don't really understand that club. Well, I do understand it. It's just Daniel Levy and Enoch just going around and around and around and around and around in a circle, conning millions of deluded fans. The ones that are wide awake, yeah, are seen as toxic and negative because they want to win, but they don't care about you. They care about the 80% that are just going round and around and around, just trying to feel part of something. And it's the same at all these clubs now, by the way, apart from Madrid and Man City. Other than that, every other club is on this 80%, 20% thing. 20% of the real ones want more. And the 80% shut you up or try to shut you up because they're sucked in by the PR. And unicorns, and we feel like a family. We're a family, guys. Yeah, we can do it. Don't worry, guys. Heads up on to the next after every loss. It's embarrassing. This is why there's certain clubs like Madrid and City that just keep winning. Yeah, whereas Tottenham just keep losing. Arsenal just keep losing. It's just embarrassing, isn't it? Round and around and around we go. And anytime anyone calls it out, you get dismissed. Yeah, as a fake or bad, toxic fan. So yeah, any Tottenham fans that think you can win stuff, sorry to break it and burst your bubble. You're not winning nothing. Yeah, but Lee, that's negative. Oh, sorry, my bad. I've come out of character here for the last 8.5 minutes, and I'm supposed to be sitting there sucking off Tottenham. That's how it works, isn't it? You're supposed to suck the rival off. Okay, my bad. So sorry, guys. I am so sorry. I won't do this again. Next video, I'll be sucking off the rival for the whole video. Have a wonderful evening. I'll be live now if you're watching this straight away. If you're not watching it straight away when I've dropped this, go back and check the live. I'm also going live with Rants in about 40 minutes, 4 p.m. UK. And And I'll be back on here for Man United's demise later. And yeah, Man United fear and hate could be growing if they win. And if they lose, Man United hate is an illness, isn't it? So win-win, win-win, guys. And listen, have a blessed day, and I'm out of here. Bye.